We'll guide you through how to fix Wi-Fi not connecting on an Android. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This can be a frustrating problem because you're wanting to go and use the internet on your phone, and so you want to connect to Wi-Fi. So we're going to guide you through some different fixes you can try. Make sure it's this full guide and don't skip ahead. Otherwise, you may go and miss an important part of this video. To get started, you need to go and find your settings. So you can swipe up, find settings, or search for settings at the top. Then you want to come into connections, come into Wi-Fi. Now, if you previously connected to the network, press the three dots in the top right, go down and press advanced settings. Then you want to go and find manage networks. Find the network in the list and go and tap on it, and then you can go and press forget. Then what you want to do is go and return, and you can try then reconnecting, tap on the network and enter in the password again. Go and press connect. Hopefully now it'll go and successfully connect. Now if it doesn't, the next thing you want to do is come back to your main settings. Scroll down, find the option for general management and tap there. Scroll down to the bottom and find reset. Scroll down here and find reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings and press reset. Go and wait, then it's been successfully reset. Now come back up here, come to your connections and Wi-Fi, and you'll need to reconnect to it again. We'll go and press connect, and hopefully now you're able to go and connect. Now, if you can't, then what you next want to try doing is tapping and holding the side power button. Press restart and then restart again. Also go and turn off and back on your internet router again as well, in case there's a problem with that. When it comes back on, you can then go and return to your settings and hopefully try and connect, and it'll be successful. When it comes back on, you then want to go and return to your settings, and hopefully now you can successfully reconnect. When it comes back on, you want to come and return to your settings, and hopefully now you can successfully connect.